This is Raju. I think everyone are doing good and staying safe in their homes. And yeah, so today I wanted to share preparation strategy for recently released SBI clerk notification, which is 2021. So coming to reasoning part, I think if you get some 70 plus marks, everyone can clear the prelims examination in any exam. Yeah. So coming to reasoning, we have few topics where if you are clear in that topics, you can easily crack. You can easily get more than 25 marks. So if you take silogs, coded inequalities, and coding decoding, blood relations, directions, alphabet sets. So if you take these five topics, you will get around 20 to 25 marks easily. So within 15 minutes, you will get 20 25 marks. So in the remaining 5 minutes, you can do the some singular questions like how many meaningful words, like that. To quant. So in quant also we have some 4 to 5 topics. The first thing is quadratic equations, approximations and simplifications. So in these approximation, simplification and quadratic equations, you will get more than 10 to 12 questions. So if you take DI, then you have to go to DI. In DI, you will get around 10 marks. So if you are clear in these 4 topics, easily you will get 25 plus marks. Pretty sure. In the remaining 10 marks, you will be getting simple and component interest, time and distance, boards and streams. So these topics you will get for remaining 10 marks. So if you are clear in your basics, you will clear it. So yeah. So if you are clear with these topics, you will get around 20 to 25 marks. In the remaining 5 minutes, if you get around out of 10 questions which are in singular form, so if you get some 4 to 5, easily you will get 30 marks in quant. So coming to English, in English, I think most of the people will feel very tough as English. Yeah, we can understand that. But the thing is, in English also we have some selected topics like error detection, para jumbles, reading comprehension, fill in the blanks. If you are very clear in the daily talking English, like if you are able to if you are able to talk with the people in front of you in English, then that knowledge is more than enough for English feelings. Trust me. Yeah. And the thing is, for mains, you have to be very uh, accurate and very precise with your timing. So reading daily Hindu newspaper is very important for English. In that, using that, everyone can improve your vocabulary and all these things. Coming to mock tests, I wanted to tell. Coming to mock tests, I wanted to tell 2 to 3 points about mock tests. First thing is for the people who just started the preparation in this year, and second, who already giving the mock tests from the past 2 to 3 years. So if you are confident of clearing the prelims examinations, guys, please start your mains examination as soon as possible and start giving mock tests for mains, but not prelims as of now, because we don't know the preliminary examination dates. So for prelims examinations, at least you will get 20 days, minimum 20 days, minimum 20 days. In this 20 days, if you give daily 2 preliminary examinations, that is more than enough to clear the prelims. So after results were announced for prelims, you will hardly get 20 to 1 month. That's it for mains. So in that 20 to 30 days, you cannot complete the syllabus for general analysis, GA, current affairs, banking awareness. So for all those things, 20 to 30 days is not at all sufficient. So that's why I'm suggesting you to start the mains preparation for those who already clearing the prelims examination from the past examinations, and those who are already cleared with their basics. So that is the thing. If you started the preparation in this year, I think you can also start the mains preparation, but make sure that you are very clear with your basics. So I think you are better to start. You better to give the prelims examinations right now. So after that you can give mains examination. So that's it. I think these tips are helpful for all of you. Thank you very much. Stay safe.